Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I just wanted to show you a fun way you can roll from the shin box to all fours and from all fours back to the shin box. You'll need a little bit of room, but basically you start out, you roll to your left with the shin box, and then you continue looking and turning with your eyes and your head, and let your arm come up, and then you start reaching and lift yourself up to all fours, get to all fours, and then from there, you reach back into the shin box. And it looks kind of like this. Once you start getting the flow of it. And you can play with your hand placement. You can play with the speed at which you do it. So it's really kind of like going from an elevated roll on all fours down into a shin box, and from a shin box to an elevated roll on all fours. And of course you can reverse this too. So you come down into the shin box, you rotate over, keep looking with your eyes and your head, bring that reach over to bring that leg up. And then you can again find your flow. Or you can practice control by going in slow motion. And trying to find if there are any gaps in your strength and your mobility. But again, this is just a fun way to play. Feels great on the hips because you're going into all that internal external rotation, and then you'll feel the rotation in your torso, which feels pretty daggone good. And again, fun way to play. You're activating your vestibular system. You're transitioning from the seated position to the quadruped position, and it does really good things for your body. Teaches you transitions, fills in little nooks and crannies in your strength, and it is a great way to explore how you can move. Gives you options. The more options you have, the better off you are. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.